Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Xero accounting software. Xero is a cloud-based accounting system that helps small businesses and accountants manage their financial transactions efficiently. To get started with Xero, you need to sign up for a free trial or purchase a subscription. Once you have logged in, you will see the Xero dashboard, which provides an overview of your financial situation. The first step is to set up your company profile, which includes adding your company name, address, and tax details. You also need to set up your chart of accounts, which is a list of all the accounts you use to track your financial transactions. Xero provides a default chart of accounts that you can customize to suit your business needs. Next, you need to connect your bank accounts to Xero, which allows you to import your bank statements and reconcile your transactions. You can also set up automatic bank feeds, which saves you time and reduces errors. To connect your bank account, go to the Accounts menu and click on Bank Accounts. Then click on Add Bank Account and follow the prompts. Now let us move on to invoicing and billing. Xero allows you to create professional-looking invoices and send them to your customers automatically. To create an invoice, go to the Invoices menu and click on New Invoice. Then fill in the customer details, invoice date, and description of the work done. You can also add a payment term and due date to the invoice. In addition to invoicing, Xero also allows you to track your expenses and manage your payroll. You can upload receipts and invoices to Xero and categorize them as expenses, which makes it easy to track your business expenses and claim tax deductions. Xero also integrates with a range of payroll systems, which makes it easy to manage your employee salaries and benefits. To ensure that your financial data is accurate and up to date, it is essential to reconcile your accounts regularly. Reconciling your accounts involves matching your bank statements with the transactions in Xero, which helps to identify any discrepancies or errors. To reconcile your accounts, go to the Accounts menu and click on Reconcile. Then select the bank account you want to reconcile and follow the prompts. Finally, Xero provides a range of reports that help you to track your financial performance and make informed business decisions. The reports include the balance sheet, profit and loss statement, and cash flow statement, which provide a comprehensive overview of your business finances. You can also customize the reports to suit your business needs and schedule them to be sent to you automatically. In conclusion, Xero accounting software is a powerful tool that helps small businesses and accountants to manage their financial transactions efficiently. By following these steps and using the features and functions of Xero, you can streamline your accounting processes, reduce errors, and make informed business decisions.